Where did the water go? Come on. There we go. Alright, this is Kevin from Florida Supreme, and today we're going to go on Journey into Imagination with Figment. Come along, let's do this.
Imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie coochie coo, and taste. Taste my chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour. Our first stop is the sound lab. Now, all together, if you would please read lines 3 and 4.
With F-I-G-M-E-N-T, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination. Follow the bouncing figment. One spark of light can light your fancy. Your mind sees more than what your eyes see. Your sense of sight can make your fancy fly. There's more to sight than meets the eye. Imagination alone can't. Anything can happen. So let the good times roll. Woohoo! You win 1 cent.
Really stinks.
Of course, Doc. The nose knows. Upside down? Now you're talking. That's the best idea you've had all day.
Turning your thinking upside down. Come on, Figment. It's time to get back to the Institute.
I know a shortcut.
I don't see any harm in my looking for a job,
Now cut that out, Week. You're supposed to be mad.